Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send music in Instagram DM. Update the Instagram app to the latest version. Now, open Instagram on your device and tap on the DM messages icon from the bottom menu. Next, open the chat of the friend, family member, or contact you want to send music to. Inside the chat box, tap on the sticker icon. After that, select the stickers option and you should see the music feature there. Tap on it to open Instagram's music library. Now, use the search bar to find your favorite song or browse through the available tracks. Once you find the song you want, tap on it to preview it. If you like it, simply tap the send button and the song will be sent instantly in the chat. The person receiving it will see a cool music card that they can open and listen to directly in Instagram. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.